Okay, so 2007 Trane 3-ton heat pump defrosting. It's defrosted. It's 2 TWB 3036A 1000 AA, February 2007. And it is defrosting. The compressor is quieter than some of the others. You know, Trane has them quieter compressors. Sometimes, not always, but you know, sometimes. You know, we'll bring the fan back on before the valve cuts off. Sorry about that. I thought I heard another defrost. I heard something a while ago. Sorry about that. It's like 25 out here today. It's 9 degrees this morning. Sorry about that. I apologize. I hope I didn't turn it too long. But we'll let you look at it. It's a 2007 Trane. Now this unit did replace some older square-shaped looking pane. There it goes. There it is. Now let's listen to this. If you can hear it. Shit, it cut off. Trane does that sometimes. One up there does that. Alright. Thank you for watching. Alright. I gotta run. See y'all.